right now are details of the CCTV footage. Ladies and gentlemen, sources have informed us that the CCTV footage was seen and there is no evidence of manhandling of women MPs as alleged by Kalyan Banerjee. Remember, this bill is for those chief ministers who want to run government from prison, and there were opposition charges that women MPs were manhandled. The CCTV footage now showing that there is no proof that the women MPs were manhandled. So that's the latest detail that is trickling in as far as this entire ruckus that took place in the parliament is concerned. We are, of course, showing you visuals of how papers were thrown and hurled at the Union Home Minister Amit Shah while he was introducing the bills, whether it was Kalyan Banerjee or KC Venugopal of the Congress party. They have led the charge of the opposition against the centre and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. And now, of course, we're getting you more details of what the CCTV footage is showing. There is no evidence of manhandling of women MPs, as was being alleged by TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee. So there you have it, viewers. One by one, of course, those allegations being proven incorrect. Let me quickly go across to Pragya, my colleague, who's getting us more on this. Pragya, what more details do you have? Sources now telling us that the CCTV footage shows that there is no proof at all of women MPs being manhandled amid the ruckus.
Well, what we have been told by the sources is that CCTV has been also seen
Pragya, let me try and reconnect with you. There seems to be some sort of network issue, but that's the latest, viewers, that is coming in as far as details of what exactly happened that time are concerned. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Niyamika, who continues to be with us on the broadcast. Niyamika, now, of course, we've got this latest information as per sources. CCTV footage revealing that there is absolutely no proof of women MPs being manhandled, something that Trinamool Congress MP Kalyan Banerjee had claimed.
Well, yes, indeed, this is the latest information which we are getting. As per the sources, it is being informed that the CCTV footage from the Lok Sabha has shown that there was no such kind of mishandling of the women MPs were being done, as it was being alleged by the TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee, who has stated that it was Ravneet Bittu who was trying to push the opposition MPs when they were protesting within the Lok Sabha, when the Union Home Minister Amit Shah was introducing these bills within the Lok Sabha. At that point in time, we have seen that how the ruckus was being created by the opposition members. They were protesting, they were sloganeering against the government of India, and they were basically saying that it is basically an unconstitutional bill which is being introduced by the government of India to target the opposition party members, to target the opposition governments as well. And for that reason, they had even tore the copies of these bills and even thrown it towards the Union Home Minister. And that is the only reason why the BJP MPs have also tried to stop these opposition members not to do such kind of protest, not to do such kind of unruly behavior within the Lok Sabha. We have also listened to various voices coming in on the part of the BJP MPs, as well as Jagdambika Pal was one of those leaders who had also made this allegation against the opposition members that they were doing gundagardi, they were doing hooliganism within the Lok Sabha, and that is the only reason why it was the BJP MPs who had also come in support of the Union Home Minister, because he was basically speaking at that point in time. He was introducing these bills within the Lok Sabha, but it was the opposition MPs who were continuously trying to disrupt the House, to disrupt the proceedings within the Lok Sabha.
Right. Let me also quickly go back to Pragya. She has joined us again. Pragya, you were telling us more details of what the CCTV footage is showing. Of course, once again debunking the entire claim of Kalyan Banerjee that women MPs were manhandled.
Well, absolutely. In fact, the CCTV has been checked by the security, and it shows that there is at least a distance of 3 meters between the opposition MPs and Mr. Bittu, on whom the allegations have been leveled by Mr. Kalyan Banerjee and other TMC leaders. In fact, they are also saying that the MPs' allegations are baseless. The CCTV shows nothing as such as Mr. Bittu mishandling any of the women MP. And in fact, what the government is saying that this bill is for those CMs who want to run the government from the prison, and not for anyone else, as opposition is making out to be. That this is also, witch hunting and also targeting by the center of the opposition-ruled states, as has been said by many of the leaders, in fact, in the opposition, and this is why they are protesting against this particular bill in the government, in the parliament. And in fact, the government has made it very clear that this bill is for those CMs who want to run government from the prison.
Okay.
There is an example of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, who was in position of CM, despite the fact that he was in prison and he refused, and he had no right to sign the file. Many of the public sector works were in fact halted and hampered because of such attitude of those people who have been apprehended by the law enforcement agencies, and yet they did not feel it their moral obligation to step down from the post.
Yeah. Let me also get in some reactions that are coming in for our viewers. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at these political reactions that are now coming in after this entire ruckus played out in the parliament.
इसका मतलब विपक्ष ने आज जो बिल फाड़ा है और बहुत एग्रेसिव होकर माननीय गृह मंत्री जी की तरफ आई है, ये पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी में अच्छी बात नहीं है और इसको देश की जनता ने देखा है।
लेकिन इन लोगों ने जो बिल फाड़ी है उसके बाद एग्जैक्टली आप बता सकते हैं हुआ क्या? जैसा आप कह रहे हो गृह मंत्री की तरफ बढ़ रहे
बिल फाड़
तो क्या उन्हें रोका? क्या हुआ?
बेल में आने तक रहता है, जिंदाबाद मुर्दाबाद तक होता है, लेकिन बिल को फाड़ना, देन 19 स्टेयर्स पर चढ़ना जो सत्ता पक्ष की तरफ थी, वो इस बात का प्रदर्शन कर रहा है कि वो एग्रेसिव थे और उनका जो बर्ताव था वो बहुत ऑफेंसिव था।
तो इसलिए कि वो गृह मंत्री तक ना पहुंच पाए उनको रोका गया?
ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। मिनिस्टर्स हमेशा अपनी मर्यादा में रहते हैं, उनको पता है कि हमारे अपने मिनिस्टर्स पे कुछ सब पे रूल्स रेगुलेशन होते हैं।
We were raising our views on the constitutional amendment bills, and K.C. Venugopal ji spoke from Congress. When he questioned Mr. Amit Shah's past records, there was angry outbursts. Therefore, they started to. Mr. Kiren Rijiju behaved in a very aggressive way, and he even attacked the Lok Sabha MPs. He came down from his seat to the Amit Shah Home Minister's seat. He attacked the opposition members, which is unbelievable.
So, Parliamentary Affairs Minister attacked the MPs while the ruckus was going on.
Yeah, the video is there. Let them release the video. Parliamentary Affairs Minister behaved in an unparliamentary way. Kiren Rijiju must apologize to the Parliament MPs.
Also, sir, now the BJP is saying that Kiren Rijiju himself was being attacked by the opposition MPs.
That is completely rubbish.
सारा देश देख रहा है। ये स्पीकर साहब को कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए। जिस तरीके से गृह मंत्री के मतलब टेबल पे आ गए और जिस तरीके का मतलब वहाँ इस तरह से अगर भाजपा के सदस्य निश्चित तौर से नहीं खड़े हो जाते तो शायद कोई अप्रिय घटना भी आज हो जाती। जो हाँ जी, पूरा सारे कागज फाड़ के फेंक रहे तो और कागज फेंकते दूर से वहाँ पे पहुँच गए और जिस तरह से जिस मतलब उसमें पहुँचे हैं, कुछ भी अप्रिय घटना हो सकती थी।
We also saw that some of the members also tore up the bill and threw it into the air when HM was speaking.
Well, that is because to show that democracy is alive. That is the spirit. People will fight. We've done this. We fought for our freedom and got it. We fought for our constitution and got it. And we will fight to conserve and preserve it.